This year, you don't need more motivation, you need a system. Because talent without habits is like an engine without fuel. And right now, most students are running on empty. You wake up motivated. By night, you feel behind. You start strong, then scroll, then doubt, then delay. Your English feels stuck. Your studies feel heavy. Your confidence feels small. Not because you're dumb, but because your habits are leaking power every single day. Success isn't a sprint, it's a ladder. And most people keep stepping off before the climb begins. Your brain is an efficiency machine. It loves shortcuts. Every repeated action becomes automatic. Habits are mental software. Install weak code, you crash. Install strong code, you scale. Confidence isn't magic, it's evidence. Evidence comes from repetition. Repetition creates identity. Identity creates destiny. So if you want unstoppable results, you must build unstoppable habits. Let's build them. The 10 habits. Habit 1, the 30-minute power block. Every day, same time, 30 minutes. No phone, no noise, no excuses. Deep focus is a muscle. Train it daily. Think of it as charging your academic battery. Miss a day, battery drains. Do it daily, you operate at full voltage. Habit 2, speak English daily, even alone. Fluency isn't learned, it's practiced.
All right,
Speak
let's begin.
5 minutes in front of a mirror.
Thoroughly.
Describe your day. Explain a topic. Teach an imaginary class. Language is like a sword. If you don't swing it, it rusts. Your room is your training arena. Habit 3, read 10 pages daily. Reading feeds thinking. Thinking improves speaking. Speaking builds confidence. Books are mental protein. 10 pages daily equals 3,600 pages a year. That's transformation. 1 page is a brick. Lay bricks daily, build a fortress mind. Habit 4, write to think. Most students consume, few create. Write 1 page daily. Summaries, ideas, reflections. Writing organizes chaos. Your brain is a messy desk. Writing clears it. Clarity is power. Habit 5, the 1% improvement rule. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. 1% better every day. Tiny gains
Effort
compound,
pays off.
like interest in a bank. Miss small growth, you stay average. Stock small growth, you become dangerous. Habit 6, kill passive scrolling. Your attention is currency. Social media spends it fast. Every scroll is a withdrawal. Every study session is a deposit. Protect your mental wallet. Unstoppable people guard focus like treasure. Habit 7, learn by teaching. If you can teach it, you own it. Explain concepts to a friend or to the wall. Teaching exposes gaps. Gaps guide growth. When you teach, you upgrade. Habit 8, track your wins. Your brain remembers failures. You must record victories. Keep a win list. Finished study session? Write it down. Spoke English today? Write it down. Confidence comes from proof. Proof creates belief. Habit 9, control your circle. Energy spreads. Sit with complainers, you shrink. Sit with builders, you rise. If no one around you grows, be the example. Stand tall, raise the standard. Habit 10, identity first. Stop
trying.
saying I'm trying.
No more trying.
Say I am becoming. I am disciplined. I am improving. I am fluent. Identity drives action. Action drives results. Results reinforce identity. This is the loop of the unstoppable. At first, it feels small, awkward, slow, but engines start quietly. Then momentum builds. Days turn into weeks, weeks into confidence, confidence into competence. And suddenly, you don't recognize your old self because discipline rewrote your identity. This year isn't about luck, it's about leverage. You don't need new
This
goals.
goal is scratched,
You need new
but the
systems.
system is solid.
10 habits, 30 minutes daily, 1 focused year. And the version of you next December? Fluent, sharp, confident, unstoppable. The world respects consistency, and consistency is a decision. Make it today. If this hit you, don't just feel motivated. Act. Pick one habit. Start tonight. Comment below. I'm building. Save this video.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Weekly,
if you enjoy these study
and
tips,
subscribe because we build discipline here.
Hi there.
Not excuses. This year, we don't wish. We work. Let's become unstoppable. Stop scrolling. Pause. This might change your year. If you're serious about fluent English and unstoppable grades, type I commit right now, not tomorrow. Screenshot your commitment.
Hey
Make
everyone,
it real.
If you're enjoying this, hit
subscribe
that
for
subscribe button
weekly
right now.
discipline
It really helps me
systems
out.
and share this with one friend who refuses to stay
let's check
average
this out.
because growth loves accountability. This year, we build, we rise, we execute. See you at the top.